Welcome to Hebrew Words in Scripture. This is lesson 25, and let's look at the word Jesus. Jesus does not appear in the Old Testament in Hebrew, so let's see if we can find it in the New Testament. And indeed, we look in the New Testament in Matthew 1, verse 1, and we find the word Jesus. And we see it appears in the Greek as Iesus, which means, that is, Jesus means Jehovah is salvation. The Greek word Iesus has its origins in Hebrew from the word Yod, He, Vav, Shin, Vav, Ein, which would be pronounced as Yehoshua, which would be either Joshua or Yehoshua. They're the same. Jehovah is salvation. Jehovah is salvation comes from two words. The first word, of course, is Jehovah, Yehovah, meaning the existent one, which we've seen before already as God, Elohim, the mighty one. And it's composed of the word Yasha, Yod, Shin, Ein, and that means to save, or to be saved, to be delivered, to be liberated, and even to get victory, to deliver from, to save from moral troubles, or to give victory to. It comes from a primitive root, to be open, wide, or free, and by implication to be safe, cause it to be free, or to succor, or to nourish, to protect. And so the name that Mary gave to her baby was Jesus. And that name in Hebrew means Jehovah saves, Yehoshua. And of course that is the same as the Old Testament word for Joshua. I think it's very easy for us to take a word like Jesus or Jehovah and say that we understand what it means, but in everyday use, we don't think about what it means. We just use it as a name. So I would like to try, I don't think I probably will, but I'd like to try, when I say the name Jesus, I would like to use the full meaning in English. So every time I say it, I hear the English words. And I have to start with Jehovah, because the word Jesus means Jehovah saves. So then Jehovah would mean the self-existent God who lives and breathes. And even the English word saves needs amplification, because truly it means saves, delivers, liberates or frees, and gives victory.